Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your password on Pluto TV's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your password on your Pluto TV's account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in my.pluto.tv and make a search. The official page of your Pluto TV's account will appear on the screen. Log into your account using your login credentials and the home page of Pluto TV account will appear on the screen. Tap on Change Password option. Enter your current password, create a new password and confirm your new password by re-entering it, then tap on Update. This is how you can change your password of Pluto TV's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.